The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Iya ki dewa pen unya gitrok kit simen wa klinker wawan nagi company pen mi khanda belat gari lom Jaintia war pen mandaga sign Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Drivers Association Jaintia Unit House Rock Jawai Bypass hami mentudu klik terci ne gasengi repo ga jaga sengi wa ar ne liang wa adon kita lang kam wi nagi dekot yong ni gasan hawa e klam yong o ong u ga ki yong ki hado ne gasengi wa ar dang lai bet ko dewa yele ubot renti yagi kendon yong gi bor sarkar tang wa perdi yetli yong ki Tam kita truk wag wiya truk liang gi company simen wanda sedang gi upan MKM lagi bru semen lagi bru kwan mentoy ki berpercang utum pia tempra ya yetli yong ki kam gasen ong horo wai company semen nadok na chwara tholat ki tum pia ki association hari lom Jaintia du yo yo ki kari yong ki hi ne bha kawaman kat ni kawi company da thet kari ga le spak so tpak teli wa ini dawan ra ko idok nong ya go bo kari kwiya kari ki buman gi tre jela chuchu khanau wa kam gasen hi da rai ko yen ba u yakun nei wa rai kut wa yai cha wa kre chitam nei wa khut yi kerchan ya ki wi wan ki paralok wa imja nei kam khi kam ba nei te kerpat ro ki ya ki mi kmat pai ba kari lom Jaintia wa perkhat lang ki ye kamai yang ki yo ki idor bai kit kat kam idor ko sarkar knang yo kamai lang ba ya imlang
to haga jinga dei bat kani ga strike ke jongi kum ga Meghalaya Commercial and Driver Association MC Tuda haga ni ga mi mentudu klik terci bypass kajing strike kejongi kalaya lakumba arsni kajing strike kejongi kalong gaba yai bai daga bangi bu renti igi bor jongga ai daga bangi nompen sitom ya upai ba bad sengaban ai kublai igi bor jongga administratif kibala sya bat bakila ailat yangi daga bangi burom ro ye gajing pha jongki Tegumta kani kapor nagaliang jongi kum ka association bat nagaliang jongi kum kiba strike hagani ka jaka tega jing strike jongi kalaya bai akum ba arsngi du menin hadu menta te nagaliang jongi kum ka association hagajing sneu jongi nagaliang jong ka company cement company kama pensel si yengi kilas dang ban pendon kam daki katu kat ni ki riu simet bat ngalaman ong geri kwan mentoy ban penpai ya gani gajing teli ga jongi kum ga association ba ini ki company kila pendon kam ya gini ki katu kat ni enrei nagaliang jongi ikarpat ibor hamtam nagaliang jongi hagani gerilom Jaintia bat gari khasi ga jongi ikarpat nagaliang ibor jong ki bahalor ngihang ni ngidon nyaungut ki MLA ngangai hang ni haga asusun jongi naboro gini gi nongbu truk ki nongnya truk kidon hagani ga rilum jantia ga jongi ngakarpat igini ginyaungut kinong mi khamat ki jongi bakin perkhat nagbenta jongi ginong kamai ki barit ki baria kinong mela kinong bu kali bangin yo ya gani ga dor ko barmen kabala ayangi ngidiman ban ngi karpat bangin yo ya ga dor ka ba government kala bo henry ki cement factory kimai kajing strike kajongi halor kajing bom ai ki cement factory yagani ga dor government te kumta nagaliang jongi kumga association ngin yeng be ban yele ngin ikut jingmot ban ngilarai ban yasha ban tristom akar paru igi pradkot igi pranambar jongi kinwan segani ga association ga jongi nang bangin yo yaga jingjob kum ga jing yatali agani ka beri punya prep ke jeni pi ka jeng selsi kalongum ni bagini ki factory cement ki tholat pat ki wat kilat ban pen pai yagini ki association hagani ka rilum jantia ka jongi tang na ka benta bakin yo ban thet gi kalila jong hi hagni ngidon man siwa ka wai ka association nrei ki pen pai pen pra hagani ka association hagani ka district ka jongi bakin yo sim ga buban thet kali kumta kila thet kali lais pa saus pa hagawai ga cement factory te kalong kajing crisis yangi kumki trajala bat kinong bu kali tengi karpat yegi bor ki bahalor kinong yalam gi jongi bakini yarap yangi tung ginong song sinong hagani gebri lani kajabin riu ga jongi mangini yo melalam nagabenta banyakit ba nagabenta gani ka kam transport hagani ga rilom jantia ga jongi nagabenta gani ka cement bat klingkar hagani ga district jongi tangini gi kintin blesbon